Hello and welcome to this short Ataccama OneAI demo. In this video, I will show you how OneAI can automatically discover and propose the most impactful data quality rules for your tables, and even apply them in bulk, so you can improve data quality at scale without the usual manual work. In a bank, the transactions table is probably one of the most critical assets. However, it's typically touched by dozens of systems, ETL jobs, and also people. Everyone depends on it, but as we can see in this example here, the data quality score of this table in particular is pretty low. When we open the profiling results, we can investigate the reasons for that. And what we can see is that a lot of the attributes in this table actually don't have any data quality rules applied at all. Some of the attributes, such as email example here, contain some null values, and I'm sure that if we were to investigate this even further, we would come up with many more issues that are negatively impacting data quality of this table. And traditionally, assessing data quality means weeks of manual profiling, ad hoc SQL, and creation of individual data quality rules. But instead of spending days configuring them manually, we can hand this off to OneAI agent. So from the same screen, I can just open the agent, which already has the full context of this table and its profiling results. And so I can ask it to generate the most impactful data quality rules for me. So let's say generate the most impactful DQ rules for this table based on the profiling results. And we can either just wait for the response here, or we can go into this detailed reasoning view. And we can see that the agent uses chain of thought reasoning because it first creates a plan on how to tackle the task. We can then also see that it uses profiling tools, metadata tools. It should also first check if any of the rules exist already in our central rule library before proposing the new ones. And just like that, in a couple of steps, the agent actually successfully created necessary data quality rules, which include the completeness rule, validation rules, and so on. And we can either review all of these rules one by one, and we can see the human readable kind of explanation of each of these rules. And we can also go ahead and either accept them or decline them. And as you can see, nothing is really applied blindly. Now, once I'm happy, I can tell the agent to actually also apply the data quality rules to this table. So let's tell it to apply generated DQ rules to this table. And the rules that have been created here, they will not only be applied to this table, but they are actually also going to be saved in our central rule library so that they can be used later if needed. So now that we have the rules, let's check that the rules have actually been applied. Okay, it looks like some rules have been applied. Let's just hide, for example, the terms column so that we can see which rules we've got here. And as you can also see, the rules that have been created by AI are clearly marked as AI rules, which adds another layer of transparency and traceability. And just like that, we've seen that weeks of rule discovery and configuration are now compressed into minutes. Teams can spend less time on drudgery and more time on high-value work while still keeping governance and accountability in human hands.